everyone. All right, I'm looking at problem number 4 on the review. This one has to do with Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All right, like we talked about in class, any side that is across from the square has to be c. Other than that, it doesn't matter which one you make a, which one you make b, but the one across from this square has to be c. Okay, so I'm going to say a is 6 squared plus 10 squared equals x squared. Okay, I just made this guy a, this guy b. Doesn't matter which one you make a, which one you make b, as long as the one across from the square is c. All right, 6 times 6 I know is 36, plus 10 times 10 I know is 100, equals x squared. 36 plus 100 is 136, which equals x squared. So I added those guys together. Now I know to unsquare the x, I'm going to have to square root. I can't do something on one side without doing it to the other, so I'll square root both sides. And then, let's see, I know 136 is divisible by 2. And so let me grab a calculator here. 136 divided by 2. That gives me 68. Again, 68's even. It ends in an 8, which I know is also divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide that by 2. I get 2 and 34. 34 is also even. I know I can divide that by 2. And I'll get 17. 17's prime. I can't divide this one. And so it's just 17. Now, let's go ahead and make some buddies here. Let's find what buddies we can find. I'm seeing that these two guys are buddies. And like my mom said, if I have a buddy, I can go outside. Okay, so 2 can go outside because it has a buddy. Now, we also want to pay attention to who doesn't have a buddy. I'm looking for numbers that have no legs and no buddies. And it looks like this 2 and the 17 have no buddies, no legs, so they have to stay inside. If I was going to simplify this, I would say 2 square root of 2 times 17, 34. And then, of course, we came up here. We canceled out everything there. So I'm going to say equals x. And we're done. Thanks for watching.